Imagine a world where instant gratification rules, where the moment you want something, you expect it immediately, where waiting feels like losing, and patience seems like weakness. But what if I told you that every great achievement, every lasting success, every story worth telling was built on the foundation of patience? That the most powerful people you admire, the ones who changed the course of history, the ones whose names echo in eternity, were masters of the art of waiting, of enduring, of holding on when everything around them screamed, "Give up." Patience is not a passive act. It is a silent power, a strength that few understand, a weapon that the impatient will never wield. To master patience is to control time itself, to turn delays into opportunities, failures into lessons, and obstacles into stepping stones. But mastering it is not easy. It requires discipline, awareness, and the courage to embrace discomfort. Patience is born in the moments of struggle, in the silent battles no one sees, in the moments when giving up seems easier than pushing forward. Let me take you on a journey to discover why patience is not just a virtue. It is the ultimate key to unlocking your destiny. Most people think patience is about waiting, but it is so much more than that. Patience is the ability to endure, to act wisely under pressure, to remain calm when chaos surrounds you, to focus on what truly matters while ignoring distractions that only promise temporary satisfaction. The impatient chase the noise of the world. They react, they rush, they force outcomes that are not ready to come, and they exhaust themselves in the process. Patience, on the other hand, is a quiet strategy. It is observing without panic, planning without haste, and executing with precision. It is knowing that life unfolds in seasons, that growth cannot be rushed, that even the smallest seed needs time to become a tree. Patience teaches perspective. It forces you to look at the bigger picture, to value long-term gains over short-term pleasures, and to trust in the process, even when the results are invisible. Look around you. How many people have given up on their dreams because the results didn't come fast enough? How many relationships failed, businesses collapsed, and talents wasted because someone refused to wait, refused to endure, refused to trust the timing of life? Impatience is a silent destroyer. It is the thief of potential. It convinces you that your value is measured by speed, that success is defined by immediacy, and that life owes you a fast reward. But life doesn't operate on your schedule. Rivers carve, canyons over millennia, mountains rise, slowly over centuries, and human excellence is built day by day, brick by brick, moment by moment. Impatience makes you blind to this truth. It turns setbacks into disasters, delays into failures, and criticism into personal attacks. Those who lack patience are often the ones who quit right before their breakthrough. Every great success story in history is a story of patience. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before he created the light bulb. Each failure a lesson, each mistake a step forward, each delay a preparation for brilliance. Abraham Lincoln faced repeated defeats before, leading a nation through its darkest hour. His resilience forged through years of waiting, enduring, and learning. J.K. Rowling faced countless rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon, her persistence and patience turning rejection into triumph. Even in sports, the greatest athletes were not only talented but patient, training for years in silence, waiting for the right moment, enduring pain, injury, and loss to achieve greatness. Patience is what separates the dreamers from the achievers, the ordinary from the extraordinary. Patience is rooted in the mind. It is a mindset that chooses long-term rewards over immediate pleasure, that embraces discomfort over temporary comfort. Neuroscience shows that patience is linked to emotional regulation, self-control, and resilience. The patient mind sees opportunity in adversity, growth in delay, and potential in uncertainty. Impatience, conversely, triggers stress, anxiety, and poor decision-making. Every time you rush, react impulsively, or force a result, you weaken your ability to focus, to think critically, and to adapt. Mastering patience is about mastering yourself. It is about understanding your triggers, recognizing your emotions, and making deliberate choices instead of reacting to circumstances. Patience can be trained like a muscle. Begin with small challenges, waiting a few extra minutes before responding to a message, completing a task without rushing, or tolerating minor inconveniences without frustration. Meditate on your desires and expectations. Remind yourself that not everything happens on your timetable. Practice gratitude for what you already have, and understand that progress is often invisible. Surround yourself with reminders that the greatest things take time. A tree doesn't bloom overnight. A diamond is shaped under pressure. A masterpiece is created with careful strokes. Each time you exercise patience, you grow stronger, calmer, and wiser. Patience is not passive. It is active, waiting, strategic planning, and deliberate effort. It is working tirelessly behind the scenes, preparing, learning, improving, while the world rushes and complains. The farmer who tends the fields does not demand instant growth. He sows, waters, nurtures, and waits for the harvest. The writer doesn't expect a bestseller in a week. They write, revise, edit, and endure rejection. Patience in action means consistent effort, faith in the process, and resilience in the face of obstacles. It is the art of doing everything you can while accepting what you cannot control. Those who master patience unlock rewards that the impatient will never know. They achieve depth in relationships, excellence in their craft, and clarity in their decisions. They are less swayed by chaos, more attuned to opportunity, and more prepared to seize the moment when it arrives. Patience brings wisdom, because waiting allows observation. It brings strength, because enduring builds resilience. It brings freedom, because it frees you from the chains of impulsivity and instant gratification. In short, patience turns ordinary lives into extraordinary legacies. In today's world, patience is under siege. Social media, instant messaging, on-demand entertainment, all train your brain for immediacy. The challenge is real. Resisting the urge to compare, to complain, or to demand fast results. But this is also an opportunity. Those who can cultivate patience in a world obsessed with speed will stand out. They will be the ones who innovate, the ones who persevere, the ones who create lasting impact, while others chase fleeting satisfaction. Patience becomes not just a skill, but a competitive advantage. Daily practices strengthen patience. Mindful breathing, delayed gratification, reflection, focus on process, meditation, visualization, and gratitude. Practice. Great leaders understand that patience is not a delay, but a strategy. They know when to act and when to wait. They listen more than they speak. They observe more than they react, and they plan for the future rather than reacting to every crisis. Leadership without patience is impulsive, reactive, and short-sighted. Leadership with patience inspires loyalty, builds trust, and ensures long-term success. Mastering patience is mastering life itself. Life will test you with delays, disappointments, failures, and challenges. Those who react with impatience will burn out, make mistakes, and regret decisions. Those who respond with patience will grow, learn, and eventually win. Patience does not guarantee instant results, but it guarantees progress, resilience, and a higher chance of lasting success. It is the art of aligning your efforts with the timing of the universe, of trusting that what is meant for you will come and that what is not will pass, leaving lessons in its place. So today, make a choice. Decide that you will no longer be a slave to haste, to frustration, to the constant pressure of immediacy. Decide that you will embrace patience as your ally, your strength, your path to mastery. Endure when others quit. Wait when others demand. Work when others rest. Learn when others rush. And in the quiet, persistent, patient pursuit of your goals, you will find power, peace, and purpose. Remember this: the greatest victories are not won in a moment, but over time, the greatest masters were not the fastest, but the most patient master the art of patience, and you master life itself. Patience is not just about waiting. It is about learning to move with the rhythm of life, understanding that every season has its purpose, that every struggle carries a hidden lesson, and that every delay is an opportunity for growth. Consider the story of Nelson Mandela, who spent 27 years in prison, not out of choice, but because his cause demanded endurance, and yet he emerged not bitter, not broken, but wiser, stronger, and ready to lead a nation through reconciliation, showing the world that patience can transform suffering into strength and waiting into preparation. Think about the great painters like Leonardo da Vinci, who spent years perfecting the Mona Lisa, never rushing a brushstroke, knowing that true mastery requires time, that excellence cannot be manufactured in haste, and that patience is the invisible architect behind every masterpiece, whether in art, science, or human relationships. Patience is also about self-mastery, about resisting the instant allure of distraction, the temptation to quit when discomfort arises, the compulsion to seek approval or recognition before the work is ready, because impatience is the enemy of greatness. And every moment spent rushing is a moment lost to mediocrity. Imagine the athlete training for the Olympics, waking before sunrise, pushing their body to its limits, day after day, year after year, enduring pain, fatigue, and countless failures, all in silence, all because they understand that victory does not come in a single day, but is earned through relentless persistence and the quiet power of patience. Consider the entrepreneurs who failed multiple times before, creating global empires, who faced rejection, bankruptcy, criticism, and doubt, yet refused to abandon their vision because they knew that timing is as important as talent, that patience allows ideas to mature, plans to solidify, and opportunities to present themselves in their full power. Patience also teaches humility, because it forces you to confront the limits of your control, to accept that you cannot force outcomes, to understand that life is a tapestry of effort, timing, and fate, and that the threads of your destiny are woven not in moments of impatience, but in the long, quiet stretches of perseverance. The world's greatest philosophers and spiritual leaders, from Buddha to Marcus Aurelius, emphasized patience because they knew that the mind, like a muscle, grows stronger when challenged, tempered by waiting, reflection, and endurance. And that impatience clouds judgment, fosters anger, and blinds the soul to the subtle beauty of the process. Even in nature, the lessons of patience are everywhere. The river does not rush to reach the ocean, yet over centuries it carves valleys and shapes landscapes. The oak tree grows slowly, but when it stands tall, it becomes a shelter, a landmark, a symbol of strength. The caterpillar endures the dark, silent cocoon before emerging as a butterfly, reminding us that the most beautiful transformations require time, trust, and patience. Patience is also a tool for emotional intelligence, teaching us to respond instead of react, to communicate with clarity instead of impulsivity,